Jai Go Mata, Jai Shri Ram. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you will love this video. Okay guys, welcome to Maruti Suzuki Gypsy and Maruti Suzuki 800 diecast assembling kits, 1:24 scale model cars making and unboxing. Miniature Maruti Suzuki Gypsy and Jimny diecast miniatures with Type 2 Maruti 800 are also called auto work in Japan. Diecast scale model of Suzuki old cars. And if you want to buy this, you can contact the seller. I have given the email in the description. You can contact him and buy these products. Thank you.